welcome you all to Scorpio class Hindi. In today's video I have brought complete notes of poem कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती from class 10th Karnataka board. Explanation of the same poem I have already uploaded. You can take the link from the description box. Now let's move on. First main is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए means answer in one sentences. First question is किससे डरकर नौका पार नहीं होता? What is the obstacle that comes in crossing the boat? Answer लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होता. Waves are the obstacle that comes in the way of boat. And if you fear the wave, then boat cannot cross the sea. So लहर is the obstacle. Then second one, किनकी हार नहीं होती है? Who doesn't fail? Answer कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती है. Those who try, they never fail. Then next, दाना लेकर कौन चलती है? Who carries the grain? Answer दाना लेकर नन्ही चींटी चलती है. Little ant carries the grain. Next, चींटी कहाँ चढ़ती है? Where does the ant climb? Answer चींटी दीवारों पर चढ़ती है. The ant climbs on the wall. Next, किसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती? Whose hard work doesn't get wasted? Answer कोशिश करने वालों की मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती. The one who never give up in any situation is the one whose hard work is not wasted. Then next, सागर में डुबकियाँ कौन लगाता है? Who takes dip in the ocean? Answer सागर में डुबकियाँ गोताखोर लगाते हैं. Diver takes dip in the ocean. गोताखोर means diver, the one who dips in the sea or ocean. Then next, मोती कहाँ मिलती है? Where do you get pearls? Answer मोती समुद्र के गहरे पानी में मिलती है. We get pearls in the deep ocean. Then next, किसकी मुट्ठी खाली नहीं होती? Who doesn't go empty-handed? Answer कोशिश करने वालों की मुट्ठी खाली नहीं होती. The one who has confidence in himself and never give up in any situation is the one whose hand is never empty. Then next, कहाँ से भागना नहीं चाहिए? From where you should not run? Answer संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर नहीं भागना चाहिए. We should not run from the battlefield. Then next, कुछ किए बिना ही क्या नहीं होती है? What happens when you don't do anything? Answer कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती. You will not get any joy, success, happiness, name and fame until you do anything. Then next main is 2-3 वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in 2 to 3 sentences. First question is चींटी के बारे में कवि क्या कहते हैं? What does the poet tells about ant? Answer कवि के अनुसार चींटी जब दाना लेकर दीवारों पर चढ़ती है तो 100 बार फिसलती है. गिरने पर भी विश्वास नहीं खोती. रगों में साहस भरकर बार बार चढ़ती. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं जाती. कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. Here in रगों में साहस, it is written rago. Okay, there is spelling mistake. It is rago. So here it means that according to poet, when ant carries grain and climbs on the wall, it falls 100 times. 100 times means several times it falls, but it doesn't lose hope. Every fall builds courage in it. After all, its hard work doesn't go in vain, means it is not wasted, and finally it reaches its destination. Okay? Then next question, गोताखोर के बारे में कवि के विचार क्या है? So, what are the thoughts of poet about diver, about गोताखोर? आंसर, कवि के अनुसार गोताखोर जब समुद्र के गहरे पानी में मोतियां तलाश करते हैं तो हर बार उन्हें मोतियां नहीं मिलती। कई बार खाली हाथ लौटना पड़ता है, पर वे निराश नहीं होते। अगली बार दुगनी उत्सुकता से जाते हैं और उनकी मेहनत रंग लाती है। So here, according to the poet, when Gotakhor search for precious pearl in deep ocean or sea, every time they do not get it. Many times they have to come empty-handed, but they never lose hope. And the next time when they go in search of pearls, their excitements are double. And finally they get success. Finally they get the precious pearls. Okay. देन नेक्स्ट इज असफलता से सफलता की ओर जाने के बारे में कवि क्या संदेश देते हैं? वॉट मैसेज डज द पोएट गिव अबाउट मूविंग फ्रॉम फेलियर टू सक्सेस? आंसर, असफलता से सफलता की ओर जाने के लिए कवि कहते हैं कि असफलता को एक चुनौती मानकर चलना चाहिए, अपनी कमियों को सुधारना चाहिए, नींद चैन को त्याग कर मेहनत करना चाहिए, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर कभी नहीं भागना चाहिए। ऐसा करने से ही सफलता प्राप्त होती है। So here poet what he is telling, he tells us that whenever failure comes in our way, we have to accept it as a challenge. Okay, we have to accept failure as challenge, and we should know where we have done wrong, what was our mistake, and we should improve that mistake. Okay, we have to sacrifice sleep in order to achieve our goal, and we should never run away from the problems that comes in our life. Then only we can get success. So who is telling this? The poet is giving the message. Then next main is जोड़कर लिखिए, मैच द फॉलोइंग। लहर नौका, चींटी दाना, गोताखोर डुबकियाँ, असफलता चुनौती, कमी सुधार। द नेक्स्ट मेन इज भावार्थ लिखिए, मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट द मीनिंग। हियर, नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना न अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दिस लाइन्स। सो प्रस्तुत पंक्तियाँ कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती कविता से लिया गया है। इसके कवि सोहनलाल द्विवेदी है। इन पंक्तियों द्वारा कवि चींटी का उदाहरण देते हुए कहते हैं कि जिस तरह नन्ही चींटी दाना लेकर दीवारों पर चढ़ती है, 100 बार फिसलती है, पर उसका विश्वास कभी नहीं टूटता। आखिर उसकी मेहनत रंग लाती है, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। ओके, सो दीज लाइन्स आर टेकन फ्रॉम द पोएम कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, एंड द पोएट इज सोहनलाल द्विवेदी. Through these lines, the poet gives the example of small ant, how it carries grain and climbs the wall. In one attempt, it does not reach its destination. It falls several times, 100 times it falls, but it never loses hope. It keeps on trying, and finally reaches its goal. So what we learn from these lines? That we should never quit. No matter what the problem is, what the condition is, we should have the courage to face it. Then only we get success. We should not run when problem comes in our life. We have to face it. Then only we will enjoy the fruit. Then only we can enjoy the success. Okay? बोलते हैं ना, डर के आगे जीत है, वैसा। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट मेन तुकांत शब्द लिखिए। तुकांत शब्द मीन्स राइमिंग वर्ड्स। चलती तलती, भरता डरता, लगाता जगाता, बार कार, स्वीकार, आकार. Any rhyming words you can write of your choice. Okay. Then नेक्स्ट मेन इज सफलता प्राप्त करने से संबंधित शब्दों पर गोला बनाइए. हियर इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक few words are given. You have to circle the words that are related to success. Okay, you have to circle those words which are related to success. For example, सार्थक परिश्रम. सार्थक परिश्रम means meaningful work. When you do meaningful work, you are heading towards success. So you have to circle this word sarthak parishram. Then second is atmavishwas. Atmavishwas means self confidence. This is also a positive sign. If you have self confidence, you are heading towards success. So you have to circle atmavishwas. Then satat abhyas. It means continuous practice. When you are continuously practicing, that is also a good sign. That is also a sign towards success. Then sarthak काम करना means to do meaningful work. Again you have to circle this word. Then next is कुछ कर दिखाना. कुछ कर दिखाना means to make something happen. This is also a positive signs which will take you towards success. Then shiksha prapti means to acquire knowledge, to gain knowledge, to take education. This is also a good sign which will take you towards success. So these are the words you have to circle, okay, and the rest you have to leave it. Then next main is दिए गए संकेत बिंदुओं के आधार पर परिश्रम पर लघु लेख तैयार कीजिए. Here you have to prepare an article on hard work. Parishram means hard work. Okay, you have to prepare an article on hard work. When you do hard work, what happens? You have to make it by your own. For your help, some words are given in your textbook. You have to put those words in your article. See, I have written one article here. परिश्रम से ही हम अपने मंजिल को पा सकते हैं. हमें उत्साह से मेहनत शुरू कर देनी चाहिए. मेहनत के साथ कोशिश करेंगे तो सहजता से कामयाबी दिखाई देती है. अपने मंजिल को पाने के लिए जितनी भी कठिनाई आए उसे चुनौती समझकर स्वीकार करना चाहिए. उसके लिए नींद चैन को त्यागना पड़ता है जो साहस का काम है. इस संघर्ष में तो गिरना चढ़ना लगा रहता है. ऐसा करने से कभी खाली हाथ नहीं जाते. मंजिल खुद कदम चूमती है. See, the words which are in black color, these are the words given in your textbook. So you have to put these words and make an article which will give a message of hard work, that if you do hard work you will achieve a particular goal or success or anything you can write. Okay, I have written about manzil means about your goal, about your target. You can take example of education. परिश्रम करने से सफलता मिलती है. when you are continuing your studies, how you have to do hard work to get good marks. Okay, any example you can take. So this was a small article. Then next is anurupta. What is anurupta? Anurupta is a type of objective where you have to see the first pair and accordingly you have to solve the second pair. Okay, first is mehnat. Mehnat, parishram. What is the relation between the two? Mehnat means hard work, parishram also means hard work. So this is synonym. Different words, same meaning. So for koshish also you have to write a word which means koshish, that is try. So it is prayatna. Mehnat, parishram, meaning is same, hard work. Koshish, prayatna, it means to try. Synonym it is. Second is chadna, utarna. This is opposite words. Chadna, utarna, to climb, to get down. So for harna also you have to write opposite word. Harna, jeetna, failure, success. Then swikar, inkar. Swikar means to accept and inkar means to reject. Okay, and chain, bechain. Bechain means restless. Then next is Sindhu. Sindhu, Samudra. This is also synonym, ocean. Sindhu means ocean, Samudra also means ocean. Hath, Hasta. Hath means hand, Hasta also means hand. Okay. So here I have completed all the objectives of this poem. I hope this video was useful. If you like it, hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care.